Greetings, my subscribers. This video is recorded a few minutes after the last video was recorded. Should be up tonight, and so should this video. Yeah. No video over break, apparently. Doing this, that is. Yeah, I have aligned all the toy soldiers. Yeah. Still about 55 inches to go. I've extended this out to 15 feet. 15 feet's 180, and I said 55 inches. One moment. Okay, 180 minus 55. 125 inches of troops. And probably around that number. So, this is the first test, and probably the only test, because I'm not setting this up again. I'm gonna retract and see how it affects the troops. 3, 2, 1. Well, if you throw enough bodies at it, them, they will die by drowning in the blood of our troops. I think I broke it. Shit. One moment. Oh. Test. Okay. Still works. That was too funny. Oh, look. Anyway. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, hit like. If you didn't like it, hit dislike. Tell me in the comments below. If you liked enough to hit that like button, click subscribe. Want to help the channel grow? Share it with your friends. Either way, this is Captain Kronos here from Crimson Imperial Studios. Crap. Anyway, this is Captain Kronos here from Crimson Imperial Studios. Signing out. Wait, shit, that didn't work. I didn't save yet, so I'm gonna sign out in a moment. No! That didn't work. Ooh. This is Captain Kronos here. Anyway, this is Captain Kronos here from Crimson Imperial Studios. Signing out.